Okay, so first video, and it's it's nothing like original. Obviously, I was just going. I was just on YouTube and I saw one guy uploading like coding every day till I get a job, and I thought it was cool. And then I saw his first video, and then I found out that he saw another guy do that, and I saw that guy as well, and he saw another guy do that. So yeah, it's just I saw people doing it, and I thought it was cool, and I thought it was good to actually post myself out there and learn in public and all that kind of stuff. Keeps me accountable. Will hopefully keep me accountable. And yeah, so a little bit of intro, I guess. It's I'm in I'm in no year, to be honest, because my degree is online, so it's kind of flexible. I'm in the diploma level right now, though, and yeah, mostly I will be. I'm following a course actually to study DSA and Java, like Java DSA. I've just started with basics of Java, finished loops and stuff, and right now I think I was in functions and stuff. Today is like today is not gonna be that much as far as I think, because there is just gonna be some exercises and practice questions that I do. But yeah, as I learn more, sorry, after yeah, so after this I will move on to arrays and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we will try to solve lead code problems and do all that kind of stuff. Other than that, I'm having to do a college project right now, and it's like we have to create a full stack web app, and the technologies are kind of outdated because it's like we have to use Flask for backend and Vue.js for frontend. And until now, I was doing I was doing React and Monstack and all that. So yeah, I don't think I don't think that I will be able to continue uh, doing anything in React for a while. So I just decided that I'll just start DSA side by side and finish my project. Hopefully by end of hopefully by end of this month. But yeah, let's see. I was thinking to code it like this and post it, but there is some kind of risk because before we submit the project, if I have posted it online and someone from my college sees it and they copy it, then I'm doomed. I'm fucking doomed because the plagiarism check will kill me and they'll flag me as malpractice student or whatever. So yeah, I will genuinely be doomed. So I will have to drop that idea. But yeah, for a few days, or at least right now, I'm trying to do this exercise questions, practice questions that are there in the course, and hopefully we'll move on to the arrays and other things, and then we'll also practice the lead code question. So yeah, I think that's about it for the intro. And this is just what I learned in class today. Yeah, nothing special. I will Let's just go and create new file. What should I call them though? What should I call this though? Practice questions. I think I'll just name it function PA. How does that sound? Function PA. It's like functions practice assignment. Uh, I think it's not that bad. Oops. Why am I opening this? Yeah, I guess let's just name it. Okay, I'll just let you know in advance that I'm really, really bad with names. Coming up with this channel name was also something that I thought about for like days and days. Not days and days, but yeah, I thought about it a lot. Anyways, pa, I think, yeah, I'm just gonna call it functions pa, and then Java. Okay, that is good. Let us just import everything. Import java dot util everything, and then public static. Okay, so I'm forgetting even the basic syntax now, right? Yeah, I'm just a noob, bro. Yeah, public class functions pa. What the fuck is this, dude? Let me. I think I should remove this GitHub Copilot. What do you think? Anyways, public static void main string and take arguments, string args. Again, think there is a space here, or there is not a space here. This mic is giving me trouble. But yeah, what was it, bro? There is space in between, and this is not right here. God damn, I'm such a fucking. I don't think I should be saying that. YouTube is gonna let me have it. Anyways. Okay, so probably you can't see this, but I'm able to see it, so I think it's okay. So yeah, first question is write a Java method to compute the average of three numbers. So let us just create a method or a function. Write a Java method to compute the average of three numbers. So I guess we can make it public static int. Uh, yeah, let's just make it int average. Let's call it. Let's say int a, int b, and int c. Yeah, we can obviously return a plus b plus c divided by 3. So this will not return like the whole decimal and stuff, but I guess that's manageable. Let's just give it I don't think, yeah, let's just make it interactive or whatever, so we can take an input and that will also be like practice. So it's system dot in and system dot out dot println, enter three numbers, and we'll do int a, which will be sc dot next int. What is this? Int b. As you can see, I'm trying to write it myself and not press tab and just go ahead with what Copilot is telling me to do, even though it's the same thing. But yeah, I think it's a bad practice to just do that. Anyways, let's just store it in a variable called average. That will be int of no, that will be average of a and b and c. Oh, sorry, I pressed the tab, but yeah, my bad. Okay. Now we just need to print system.out.println the average of the I'm lazy, I'm not gonna, given three numbers is maverick, the fuck I'm saying. Anyways, let's just test this. I think it is done. Java functions pa pa.java, enter three numbers, let's say 10, 5, 6. The average of the given numbers is 7. 5 and 6, 11, 10, 21. Oh, wow, it is perfect 7. Let us give something else. Let's say 10 and 5 and 5, and it is 6. Why is it 6? Because 20 divided by 3 would be 6 point something, right? So this is converting it into an int. Let's just try and change. Let's just write float here and see what is going to happen. Let's just say float here, and yeah, now let's run the same thing. Let's say 10, 5 and 5. Wow, that's that's kind of heartbreaking, to be honest. Why is it saying 6.0? Okay, I think we need to take these as float as well, if I'm not wrong. Let's just try it and see what happens. I can't do control D because it will. I mean, I can do control D, right? What am I, stupid? I just need int. Uh, I think I need to do something about this mic. It's just not a good condition to keep it like this and then work with my keyboard and access my mouse. Anyways, again, let's enter 10, 5 and 5. Okay, we get it now. So yeah, it just needed a change from int to float to, print the real average, you may say. So this was question 1 and it's done. Let's just go to question 2. Wait a minute, how did I do that here? Okay, there was only one main function out here, but yeah, anyways, I guess I'm just gonna do something. Let's just hop on to the next question. I can write main function again. There is nothing. There is no problem in that. Anyways, so second question is write a method named is even. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm looking here, then my laptop screen is here, my monitor screen is here, and the problem statements or the questions PDF I have opened here right now. My VS Code is here, so yeah, I'm coding right in front of me. Let's just clear this and yeah, let's read the second question. It says write a method named is even that accepts an int argument. The method should return true if the argument is even or false otherwise. Also write a program to test your method. Okay, what does it mean also write a program to test a method? Anyways, public static int. No, it would be boolean, right? Because it returns if it's true or false. Yeah, is even. Fuck you, bro. Sorry. But yeah, Copilot, you're not really good. Let's just say int n, and then what we can do is okay, if n modulo 2 is equal to 0, return true, otherwise return false. And again, what do we need to do here in the main function? I think I can. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna paste, and I'm just going to comment this part out so that I can continue writing in the main function. And yeah, let us just give a prompt. System dot out dot println, enter a number to check if it is even. Wow, it's perfect. What can I do? Can't even change anything. We will make it just print so that it's in the same line. And let's just take input as sc dot next int. Okay. Now what we can do? I think we can directly. Uh, yeah, I think we can directly print this, right? System dot out dot print ln. Uh, the number you entered is even or not even. But sorry about that. But yeah, what I was saying that I can just return true or false in the output, but that would be kind of weird. Let's just make it make sense a little bit. So we'll just say is the number even? This number is okay. Yeah, let's just say the number you entered is. So what can we do is that we can just say is even n, and if it is true then we can print even, or if it's not then we can print odd, right? So yeah, let's say 4, the number you entered is even. Let's say 5, the number you entered odd. Okay, I like it. And yeah, easy peasy. That was the second question. Should I mention it here as well? I think I should. Nah, let's just say question 1, whatever. Nah, let's just keep it at what it is. Anyways, yeah. So there you go. And now you'll be commented out as well, my brother. So what does the third question say? Okay, write a Java program to check if a number is palindrome. Okay, so here comes the question that I'm not so confident about, and yeah, I've seen one palindrome question in JavaScript as well when I studied it back then, and I don't know, I don't really remember it obviously, but yeah, now we will have to do it here. So obviously the number is called a palindrome if the number is equal to the reverse of a number. So for example, like 121, if you reverse that, it's the same. On the other hand, if there is a number, let's say 321, that's not a palindrome because the reverse of it would be 123. So yeah, here comes a difficult question. Now, I think we need to define a method only. So, or function, whatever. sorry. So let's just say public static. Uh, let's just say boolean is palindrome. Now, this thing right here is obviously suggesting me to keep it as string. But I think we can do it as number as well. So yeah, I was, bro. I'm genuinely telling you. Before I saw this suggestion, I was really thinking to do that. Dividing. Sorry, modulo by 10, and then taking the remainder, and then putting it first, and then dividing it by 10, so as to remove the last digit, and then go like that. So yeah. Anyways, let's just say what I was going to say. Let's just say, yeah, let us just say int original, which will be equal to n, and then int reversed, which will be 0. So yeah, what we can do is that yeah, so it's gone now, the suggestion. Damn, I'm getting sleepy, bro. It's like 12, no, sorry, it's like 10:30. It's early, but I don't know, I'm always sleepy. Anyways, let's get back. So yeah, so what do we need to do? First of all, we need to check for this original number, and we need to check while it is greater than 0, because then only we can take the remainder, and then yeah, get the last digit, and then add it into the reversed by multiplying it with 10, 10 to the power, multiplying it with 1, I guess, 10 to the power 0. Or I'm mixing binary to decimal. I'm not sure at all. But yeah, let's just go. While n is greater than 0, int last digit is equal to n modulo 10, and reversed would be reversed into 10. Yeah, no, but yeah, reverse we need to keep it as 1. No, because if we do, no, it's fine, it's 0 will be fine, because we are not taking the 10 to the power 0 or anything. So reverse into 10 will be 0, and the last digit will be the last digit of the number that we got, and then the reverse into 10 will be 10 into the last digit, and then plus last digit. So yeah, I think that's good enough. And yeah, we need to uh, what do we need to, we need to do n divide equal to 10, and then we need to return reversed. I think that's fine. Let's just try it out in our main function, system dot out dot print. Let's say enter a number to check if it is a palindrome. Again, Copilot doing his thing, but yeah, int num is equal to, what did I take as argument? int and indom whatever is c dot next int, and that will be okay. So yeah. So it is saying in the question that check if a number is palindrome or not, right? So we don't need to return the number. And this is saying return original is equal to reverse. So yeah, that I think that will be boolean. But we can just put it condition also if like yeah, if the original is equal to reverse, then return true. Otherwise, it's written false. Yeah, that is okay. And then we say like again just how we did before. Let's say println the number you entered is, and then just give the function in the bracket is palindrome, and we pass the argument as the number that we took as an input, and then question mark palindrome, or let's say not a palindrome. I think that should be good enough. Let's see. Okay. Uh, Also, yeah, it's print over there, so that's fine. Enter number to check if it is palindrome. Let's just give what was there in the example 121. The number you enter is a palindrome. Let's just do it again. This time, let's say 123. The number you entered is not palindrome. Let's just say 111111 whatever is a palindrome, obviously. Let's say 1234 whatever random, obviously not a palindrome. Okay, I think I was saying that it is scary, but with regards to the question that I mentioned that I had in the when I was learning JavaScript or whatever, I think that was related to checking if a string is palindrome or not. But the number is relatively easier because we can do this last digit and then modulo and then whatever dividing by 10. I think string would be a bit different. Although, yeah, there is a chapter called strings in this course, so I think the questions related to that might come later. So, yeah, for now, this is what it was, and we completed it successfully. So, good. Let's just clear it for once. So, it's a bit, it's a bit neat. And then let's move on to the fourth question. So, yeah, it is a read and code exercise. So it says Google and use the following methods of the math class in Java. So it is given math.min, math.max, math.square root, sqrt, math.power, math.average, and math.absolute. Absolute. There is also a free reading resource given here. Um, why does it say the site can't be reached? javapoint.com, java math. Uh, Maybe I can remove this. Let's just search it, right? My internet was working fine, right? Java point math, Java point, Java math. Oh, it's Java point. I'm not sure if it was this one. Why this is not working though? Yeah, I think there is a typo in here. Let's just search Java T point. Okay, I think this website has been like um, updated or whatever. So I'm sorry if you're not able to see it. Let me just drag it here so you can see it. Okay, where was math? Okay, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. There was the link that was given was like, I don't know, was something else. Maybe these guys have changed their domain. I don't know. Okay, so I think this is just for the reference. We can, I don't know. Let's just close this. Let's just keep it open here for the reference. But okay, I was thinking that maybe I can implement something uh, on this sort, but I'm not sure. Let's just see. Hmm. Okay, so obviously, first of all, there is math.min, which can return a minimum of two numbers. So yeah, I guess we can just write functions related to that, or maybe I can just do it here. Question for math class of Java. So what I can do is, let's say, what do we say? That's a math dot min. So we will say system dot out dot print enter two numbers to find the minimum. Okay, why can't I write find the, yeah, exactly. Okay, I ended up pressing the tab, but I think that's okay. Int x sc dot next int int y sc dot next end. Let's just store it in a variable called min, which will be math dot min x and y, and we can just print system dot out dot println the minimum of the two numbers is what is min. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just copy paste this for like max and stuff, but anyways, let's just run it. Find the minimum of two numbers, and I think I should give find the minimum of two numbers. I think I should give next line, so it's a bit cleaner. Let's run it again. Two. Okay, whatever. So let's just clear it again. Then I can just copy and paste this entire thing because I'm a coder. uh, and let me control D my way through and just write max everywhere. Whoa, surprise, right? Let's just comment this out first so that we don't have to deal with it. And then boom, it's ready for us. Now it can find the maximum of two numbers. Let's say 5, let's say 9, and it will say 9. As simple as that. So, yeah, let's just comment you out as well. Then we'll move on to math dot, what do we got? Math dot sqrt. Okay, system dot out dot println, find the square root of number. We can remove println and take the number as input right here, and I'm gonna say why is it saying double? I want int. Okay, yeah, square root should be double, so you know, I mean, we can make it float as well, so there is no problem in that. But let's just go ahead and math dot sqrt our way through. It will take the parameter as num, which we have entered, and then it will print the square. I'm just going to write this myself. Println the sqare root of the given number is sqrt. Let's just go ahead and then again say 16. It should say 4. Let's say 21. That is a big number. Let's just make it float, and let's see if it gives type error or conversion error or whatever. It does, as we expected. What does it say? Possible lossy conversation from double to float. I don't care. I need float. So yeah, let's say 21. Okay, there are not so many digits getting less, so I think that wasn't worth it, but anyways, we did it. So that's about it for square root. We'll move on to, oh yeah, math.power, you are right. Copilot, you are right. Let's just say system.out.print enter the number and the power, and we will take input as num will be int, power will be int. Result might be, why would result need to be float, brother? I want to make it int. Let's say int result would be okay, it will be math. What the fuck is happening? Okay, so I pressed caps lock and then I was pressing tab. Math.pow would be num and power. So we can print system.out.println the number raised to the given power is mean. Is this result? It is a result, right? Yeah, it is result. Let's just clear. Let's just see if it gives any error. Let's say Yeah, see. So okay, so when it is raising the power, it is making this double. So let's just store it as double, uh, and see. Clear. Okay, what is the issue here? It is saying possible lossy conversion from double to int. uh, okay, I didn't save it. Dumbass. Okay, I had to give print ln control C. My bad. Okay, the number will be 10, the power will be also 10. Wow, what is that? I mean, it will be a big number, obviously. Let's just keep it something small. So yeah, there we go. That is our thing. Let's just give a space here just because, or maybe let's not give space here. Yeah, so we can quickly identify. Anyways, let's just comment this out. Now we are on to mat.avj. Okay, so why did I wrote a manual function to find out the average of three numbers? But I'm not sure if this mat.avj can do or can do two or three. So yeah, I guess we can find out by doing. It is print ln enter two numbers to find their average. It is println, that's a num1 and num2, and yeah, wait a minute, what did we do here? We took the input as like int, right? And then what if I do, yeah, what if I do this? Then let's say system dot out. No, obviously, what am I doing? I do not want to do this. I just need to say int average is equal to math dot average and do num1 and num2, and then just say system dot out dot println that the average of the two numbers is equal to average. I am recording. I just had to make sure because if I had been not, I would have been very, very sad. Anyways, let's just see what if this gives an error or it works fine. Uh, okay, I didn't save it. Again, yeah. So first of all, there is not a M here. And then what does it say? Cannot find the symbol. Uh, why? Mat.average num1 and num2, right? Alright. Okay, let's clear. So it says location class math cannot find symbol. Uh, Let us go to math.average. Do we have it right here? Basic math method, apps min max, square root, floor. Okay. All right. It seems that there is no math dot average in Java. Okay, see, it's the fucking course is okay. I'm not gonna say anything, but goddamn, math.average does not have a static method in math class. It only has like sqrt, power, absolute min max, random or whatever. So what am I even doing here? It's not my fault. I didn't know this. Math.apps. Okay. What does math.apps do? I mean, it returns the absolute value, I guess. So, what is an absolute value? Enter a number to find its absolute value. Let's say int number. Let us say, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm being lazy, I know, but okay, anyways. So, let's run it. Let's say 10. Or I think I need to take input as like a float or something. You know? I think I do. Then only I can get a float. Then only I can get like a absolute value or something of something that is in decimal. Okay. Let's run it. Possible lossy conversion from float to int. So let's just make this as float 2. I think it's gonna return like 0.0 after it. So let's say 4.5. I don't understand what does this absolute value do. What does absolute value even mean, right? Like, I think yeah, that that floor would return only the number without the decimal. Absolute value is something else. So if we go to absolute method, okay. Okay, yeah. I think it's about. Yeah, I think it's about that negative and stuff. You know. So yeah, let's just let's just enter -48. Okay, bro, I have studied math in my high school, and I'm studying data science right now. I should be ashamed that I don't know absolute value. Anyways, it is what it is. But with that, we are done with this long ass fourth question, and let's just hop to the fifth question, which shall be the last for the day before we head out. Anyways, what does it say? It says that write a Java method. So let's just go up top, go here, and say question number 5. Public static. Write a Java method to compute the sum of the digits in an integer. So we have to compute the sum of the digits. We can return sum of digits, let's say of integer n. Okay, so there is a hint given here. It says approach this question in the following way. Take a variable sum is equal to 0. So let's just define sum is equal to 0. Then find the last digit of the number. Add it to the sum. Repeat a and b until the number becomes 0. Okay, so I think it's the same thing, yeah. While n is greater than 0, let's just find the last digit by taking the modulo of the number with 10. Then let's just append it to the sum, which will be sum is equal to sum plus last digit, and then we can just divide the number by 10. So while n is greater than 0, while the number does not become 0, just continue this and then return sum. I think that's about it, and we can just go ahead and test it in our main function. So we have question 5, sum of digits of number, system dot out dot print. I should have added print here as well. Let me just do that after do that after this. Enter a number to find the sum of its digits, and here we go. Okay, I think I did add println, right? Yeah, that's it. And let's just take a number, let's call sum, store it in the function which will return the sum of digits to us of the given number that we have entered, and this is print it. Print ln the sum of the digits of the given number is sum. There we go. Now let's run it. Let's say 1 2 3 6, run it again. 8 9 7, it's 24, and it is working correctly. So yeah, I think we have done all the questions with defining the methods and then testing them in the main function. For the sake of clarity, let me just check it with the solutions that are given here. I think it's gonna be a little different, but who the fuck cares? Okay, so yeah, what they are doing is like taking a prompt, giving a prompt to enter each number, like input the first number, second number, third number, and then they are storing it. So they have to find this as double, everything as double basically, and then they are taking the input as double as well. So there is nothing really complex or anything about it. It's just it is what it is, and they have directly called the function inside this system.out.println. So that's also fine, but I thought it was better storing it in a variable anyways. So for the second question, they have taken They have defined the methods later, but yeah, whatever. Return true, return false. I don't think the else is needed. We can just directly return it, right? So yeah, enter an integer or enter a number, and then we enter the numbers, which will be int, and then if the number is even, okay, my bad. So I could have run directly a loop here saying that if is even, uh, it's true, then the number is even, else it's odd. But I think this is also good. Then it was palindrome stuff, which will be, what they have done is they have said, uh, okay, yeah, they have said the number is palindrome. I have said it as original. Uh, while the number is greater than 0, or if it is not equal to 0, yeah, I think I should do it as not equal to 0, but I guess it will remain the same. Greater than 0 means not equal to 0, right? Yeah, yeah, anyways. So last digit should be divided modulo 10, reverse should be 10 plus last digit, and then yeah, return true else return false, and then standard stuff. uh, Standard stuff would be please enter a number, and we enter the number. If again it's the same thing, if we can run the if loop or just do it like this, and yeah, question 4 we did it all our own. And the lastly, question 5 would be sum will be 0. Well, if it while it is greater than 0, do it remainder by 10, then add to the sum, then divide it to make the last number disappear, and then just take a number as int, and again the same thing. So yeah, I think I've solved all the 5 questions regarding functions and methods, and that is gonna be it for today. I may code for the project that I mentioned for a bit, although I'm not gonna record it because of the reason that I said before. But yeah, I think there is like pattern questions after this, but I don't feel they have like practice assignment. Maybe I'll try to code them on my own, and then see if it like if it works or not, and then see what the solution for it is. Though yeah, maybe I might do that. Let's see, because I finished the function thing in like 1 day. I was supposed to do all this and the exercise in 2 days. So we have like hollow rectangle pattern, then inverted and half pyramid, and Floyd's triangle 0 1 butterfly, so many things. So yeah, maybe one or two I'll try on my own, and then we'll see what it is from there. Then we have arrays, and then we have sorting algo, 2D arrays, strings, bit manipulation, loops, recursion, and all that kind of stuff. Not gonna bore you with that. Just gonna end the first video right here because I also need to upload it. As you can see, it's like already 11:15, 11:17. So, and I'm starting from today, 7 July, 7/7/2025. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I need to render this, then upload this, make a thumbnail a little bit by tagging like this is the first video, and then maybe add a little bit of description. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow with some patterns question hopefully, and yeah, if you watched till here for some fucking reason, I'm not sure, and I don't even think anyone is gonna watch it till here, but maybe someday I will myself, because as you might see, if you are the first one here, that my channel has 0 subscriber and 0 views obviously. So I'm starting this channel all from scratch. So yeah, that is about the my little rant for the day, and yeah, good night. I'm just gonna stop recording.